very chocker.
Right, what are we doing?
Basically just putting all these up to 600 and something, I think it is.
What are these?
New Dell servers for one of the VCs. I can find the screwdriver to open it. Absolutely rammed it in today, basically. I think Whiskey's doing stuff and I'm doing stuff.
Is this new client stuff?
This is for the shared platform, so basically our platform, to increase capacity so we can take on new people. Basically just thought of taking this one out and putting the new stuff in.
How long will it take to build the environment?
This one's going in an existing one, so it's really easy. All we do is take it to DC, plug it in, give it an IP, and then add it into the cluster. Really, really easy.
Cool.
And then we've just got the spare computer when we need it.
These are just plug and play, you don't have to format them or anything?
This one's ready. We already had an idea that we was going to put it in at some point, so we got it most of the way done, and then we just decided to put more RAM in it.
You can get into the BIOS.
You'll just see the hypervisor now, so it's just a bog standard screen for it. You do everything over the management.
Ever thought about making a gaming PC out of enterprise equipment?
You could give it a go. You've probably got enough laying around here. You could probably make a gaming server. Chris's expense, not mine though. We'll come back in 5 minutes. This will take a while. I'll carry this.
That's fine, I'll stand here with it. How heavy is it? It says recommended 8 people. So not very. Need to clean.
Paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my problems.
See you in a bit.
Problems in the paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my problems, paper dial up the deputy.
Thank you.
Good buddy.
Sick.
I'm gonna go grab the kit.
Honestly, I think we should have just chucked loads of stuff on that and used it temporarily. Stick that underneath and just...
Probably could. Switch over.
No.
That's joking. Someone whacked the back of it. Must have whacked in James's car. Don't push it too hard, don't it'll fall off. I'm gonna grab the rails, and then while you're doing that, I'll do the rails.
One of these nodes is standalone at the moment, so I'm going to update it and add it into this cluster. The keyboard's not working. Had a nightmare there. It was working before I rebooted it, because I had to type a password in to reboot it. Typical, the one key that I need didn't work. The keyboard stopped working when I rebooted it, so I couldn't F11. Are we just sticking it in here?
Yeah, we'll just use that to you. We'll go around the other side.
We're in the bottom, Michael, underneath. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the other ones will be 5 and 6. There's method in the madness.
No, there's just madness in the madness.
Need me to lift out?
No, I'm in. Like a glove.
Well, it's just an expansion of the current cluster. So we had 4 in, and we're adding these 2 to expand on this cluster to make it, obviously to give us more compute and more storage. Yeah. So we're running a little bit thin, but they'll do the job. Obviously all the connections to do on the back, and then a little bit of switch config to put it in the same network as the other ones, and then a bit of VMware stuff to bring it into the cluster, set it up. We did it, Michael.
Just putting the ears on the new firewall we're putting in. Do you want me to do the labels so you know it now? Or are you going to do the RAM first?
Why are we putting a new firewall in?
Just to move some customers off an old one, basically. We've got one in there that we're not going to use anymore, so I just put a more powerful one in to replace it with. And then we got another few coming soon, just for more space, just in case we need them. What's wrong?
And these ports are active.
What? For Ethernet, bottom right of each switch.
I'm going to remote into it from here. Keyboards aren't working. You have to reboot it, I think.
What?
You have to reboot it.
Just turn it off, put the RAM in.
We are doubling the amount of RAM in this host. It's currently only got 3, 8, 6. Is that a multiple of 32? 368. One of the 2. So we're doubling it to bring it up to the same amount of memory that's in these hosts here. So Michael topped up the other one that we've just put in. This one was already here with half the amount that we need. So got additionals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Cool.
Paper to my put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown.
House. Is that what you shout when you're full?
Problems in the paper to my put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the
Nope.
paper to my put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown. Listen here, buddy.
Right. Wait for the drag to pick it up. Can't bother to walk around the other side and power it on. You know what port it's going in?
13, it says on the label.
Ooh.
Paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my put my problems paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper to my put my problems paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown.
There you go. Is it working?
Not there yet. Right, fine, we're done. It's working.
You got it?
Yeah. That's one.
Top on you.
Oh,
It's done wrong. Whoever did these lot, done them wrong. They're supposed to alternate.
makes no difference really, but
And there's your one if you want to do them at the same time.
I'm going to go turn that on. Bottom one. Buttons on the front. Yeah. If it was there, I could have done it myself.
What was he doing?
Turning it on.
Make sure he fixed the right one.
The very bottom one,
Yeah.
just a single tap.
It is.
Oh no.
Oh, is he trying to turn the bottom one on?
Yeah,
It's got
he
no.
hasn't.
Yeah, I was going to say he hasn't put the power cables in.
Whoops. Thought it had a battery in it. So that was the test run. Next time I'll have electricity flowing through it, so when you press the power button, it should power up. You know what PDU you're going to?
What?
Do you know what PDU you're going to?
It's what?
Do you know what PDU you're going to?
1A, 1B.
Huh?
1A, 1B. Same question was that.
The one's down there. You're not label it by port though.
What?
You're not label it by just.
Are they 16 amp or are they 32 amp? Oh, bugger.
I want to say 16.
16?
Why is it doing this? Just finding the IP addressing for the new node that we just put in. Nearly done. Michael will tell you what we're doing.
He's just doing the config on the actual server, setting the IPs. I'm doing the switches and then pretty much done at home. Oh yeah, and the firewall. We're just plugging the firewall. Config's already done on the actual switches. And then we can go home and hope it works.
Home stretch. Thank you. Keep firing. Have you dropped your lunch?
What?
Have you dropped your lunch?
No, don't do that, innit? You're happy that you said that with the mic on now, aren't you?